Hello friends, this is Rahul. In today's video, we will create a RAG agent in Microsoft Foundry, where we will explore the Foundry IQ, where we can create a knowledge base, and in today's video, we will use Azure Blob Storage as a knowledge source. So what is Foundry IQ? Foundry IQ is a source of knowledge base that allow AI model to search your enterprise data and answer questions based on your documents. It is nothing but intelligence rack. AI model alone do not know your private data, hence it will be required document storage, indexing, intelligence retrieval. That is where blob storage and AI search comes in the picture. Okay, why blob storage is needed? Blobs AI model again cannot read document directly from laptop or files. It will need a scalable place to store the document. It is nothing but containerized storage location and integrates with AI services. Example of the storage files. It can be PDF, knowledge-based documents, products manual, FAQs, internal documents, etc. Why Azure AI search is needed? If we only store the document in blob storage, the AI model cannot efficiently find the right information. And that's what AI search service comes in a picture. AI search allows retrieval augmented generations. AI search provides document indexings, full text search, vector search, and semantic search. Yeah, now moving on to the Azure portal. So we would need three services basically here. One is Foundry, another is the storage locations, which is storage account, and third one is the AI services. Now I'll first moving on to the storage account. Here I have created a container called invoices and I have uploaded a couple of invoices here. So I'll show you the invoices quickly. So this is dummy invoices. So where we'll be driving the information from these invoices. Now moving on to the Foundry. So here we are creating the agents. But before that, we are going to create a knowledge base. For that, we will navigate into the knowledge, and here you will be able to see the Foundry IQ. So to create a knowledge base, first of all, we have to create a AI search service. So I have already created AI search service, but if it is not, then you can click and then create a new resource where you can navigate to the AI search resource creation page in Azure portal, and there you can create your AI search service. I'll show you quickly how to create it. Yeah, so this is a subscription, then resource group. Under resource group you can create, let's say, test AI search, and test AI1. Okay, and here we can create a pricing tier, right? So here we can select a pricing tier which can be free, basic, or standard depending upon your need. Here I am selecting the free one, and there are, you can see, indexes, indexers, vector quota, and storage account. So depending upon your use case and need, you can select this. But what is the vector quota? Max storage vector quota is nothing but the max storage for the embedding use in a vector search. What is the indexes? Indexes is nothing but a number of searchable data sets that you can create. What is the indexers? Indexers is automated pipeline that's load data into the indexes. And last one is the storage locations, storage, total storage. So total storage is maximum storage for all the indexed data. So I think depending upon your use case, you can select and then create the storage account. Okay, so here I have already created, so I will be going to cancel this. I have already selected created AI search service which retire, and that is already there, so I am going to cancel this, but you can create. Okay, so here you can see the AI search service I have already created and connected here. Now, once you have created the AI search service and connected to the in the Foundry IQ, the next step would be you are going to create a knowledge base. Okay. So here in today's example video, we will see example as an Azure Blob Storage where we'll retrieve the documents and files from the Azure Blob Storage. So I'm going to select Azure Blob Storage. I'm going to connect this. I'll select the storage account, whatever I have created. I'll select the container called invoices, and I have select the embedding model. If embedding model is not deployed, you can browse more models and you can deploy the embedding model here, but I have already did it, so I'm going to select that one. Again, chat completion model, I'm going to select GPT-4o. Similarly, if you do not have deployed, you can do deploy and you can select from there. However, in advanced setting, the another important part is the injection schedule. Okay, or injection schedule intervals. Here there are four schedules available at this moment: hourly, every 6 hours, every 12 hours, and every daily. So these four injections schedules intervals would be available, so you can select depending upon our need. Why basically injection schedule intervals comes in the picture? If suppose your data storage keep on appending or keep on adding a new set of files, right? So to synchronize with this uh, knowledge base, that's the reason these injections schedules or injection synchronization would be required. Okay, and again you can select here injection schedule start date as well depending upon your need. So yeah, I'll keep this as a basic daily default. I'll keep this default setting as a daily, and the I'll click on create. It will take a while to create a knowledge source. Yeah, so I'll again select here GPT-4o mini, and then I'll save my knowledge base. Yeah, so here if you it is kind of status is creating, I'll go in the knowledge, and yeah, here it will be appearing, and now it is in active status, so which means it is ready for used. So I'll just show you quickly by navigating into the AI search service. If you see, you can see your knowledge resources which is appearing in your AI search service here. Agentic retrieval. See here, whatever knowledge we have created, the same KS Azure Blob 895, the similar appeared here. Okay, so that way this is kind of knowledge base is getting synchronized with your our Azure AI search service. Now our last step would be to create an agent. Okay, so first we have uh, navigated the Foundry IQ. We created our knowledge base, and we kind of now moving on to the agents where we are going to create an agent, and I'll name my agent's name is rag agent. Okay, and I'll create it. Okay, so here again I have selected the model which is the brain of the agent, and in knowledge source I'll click on connect to Foundry IQ, and here yeah, so whatever knowledge knowledge base we have created, so we have selected that, and we'll click on connect. So which means we have made the connections with our knowledge base, whatever we have created with our agent. So now let's test the agent. Okay, so you see we have two invoices we have uploaded here. So I'll just name, please extract the name of the name and number of invoice. Please retrieve the file names. Yeah, so it is showing the file names. So whatever file names you can see the invoice in English and invoice 2025 Can you please extract the total amount from invoices? Yeah, so here you can see it will extract the information based on the prompt that we are giving. So you can see it will extract the information, the total amount and the from both of the invoices. So here total amount is $100 and in another one is $4,000. So you can see both of these total amount has been extracted. So yeah, so using this way we can we can build our RAG agent and retrieve the data from the files or extract data from the files from the Azure Blob Storage where our knowledge base or knowledge source that we have created. So that's all in this video. I hope this would be helpful and definitely it would helpful for your use case, implementing your use case. That's it on in this video. Thank you. Thanks. Bye bye.